Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the most fundamental data structure in Python, list. Let's start with the basic. What exactly is a list in Python? It's an ordered collection of items, and items can be anything, any data type, any data structure. It can be a number, it can be string, it can also be a list. And guess what? Lists are mutable, meaning you can change the element of a list once you have created it. Like this. I will change the first element of this list L to 0. Here you go. You cannot do this with immutable structures like strings. Let me show you. If I try to change its first character with something else, it will give me an error. Object does not support item assignment. Let's talk about accessing elements. Python uses zero-based indexing, which means the first element of the list has an index of 0. Let's say I have a list and I want to access the first element of this list. I can access it using 0. With slicing, you can extract a sublist from a list by specifying a start and end index. Like this. Just remember, the end index in slicing is exclusive. It means if I want to go from 0th index to 3rd index, I have to write this 0, 1, 2, 3, and I have written 4 here. 4 is not included. Lists supports various operations such as concatenation, repetition, and finding length of a list. Let's look at examples. I have my list, right? I can concatenate two lists. I can make duplicates, and I can check the length. One of the great things about lists is that you can modify them after creation. You can add elements, insert elements at specific position, and even remove elements. You can add element using append. You see? You can insert element at a specific location. Let's say I want to add apple on the first index, or on the first index, yes. Sorry. And here you go. And you can delete using remove method. Python provides plenty of methods, built-in methods for working with lists, from sorting and counting some element, getting the index, etc. Like I can count an element, how many times it has occurred. I can find the index of a particular element and many more. There is another thing in list that you can do. It's called list comprehension. Here is an example. We will talk about this in details. In this example, I have taken whole numbers from 0 to 9 and created a list with square of each element. That's it for today. What we have learned till now is what is list, what kind of elements can a list have. List is mutable. You can access list using index, and Python supports zero index. You can do slicing and extract sublist. You can concatenate, you can duplicate, you can check the length, you can append, you can insert at a specific location, you can remove, you can find index of a particular element, we can count a frequency of particular element, and we can do list comprehension. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.